what is ReCheck Vault? It is a secure encryption of data and files, things like health and financial files, passports and ID backups, sensitive documents, property deeds, secure notes, business data, and even passwords. All these important files and data securely encrypted and solely accessible by your Cardano ID. ReCheck Vault makes you the sole owner of your own data.
Here is how ReCheck Vault works. You start by creating your digital identity. This is a 2-minute process that creates an identity on the Cardano blockchain so that you can authenticate later. Then you encrypt the sensitive files with your Cardano identity so they can be only decrypted by your keys. When you want to share files with other users, you encrypt the documents to the identity of the recipients so only they are able to decrypt and access the files with their keys. All encrypted files can be safely stored offline in the cloud or on a decentralized storage based on your preferences. They are not readable or accessible without the Cardano ID, and even ReCheck Vault cannot read your data.
Additionally, you can receive log notifications and historical data from the Cardano blockchain when they're being accessed or viewed. We've already built a working prototype on Solidity, but we want to port it to the safest and most decentralized blockchain that is Cardano. Additionally, we will open source the SDK to help the Cardano community, so everybody can inspect the code and use it for their own Cardano project. ReCheck Vault is a proposal in Catalyst Fund 10. Try our working prototype on vault.recheck.io.
Help us build the necessary tooling to encrypt data on Cardano by voting for our proposal in Catalyst Fund 10. The team behind ReCheck Vault consists of amazing engineers and entrepreneurs with an impressive track record. We have more than 5 years of blockchain development experience. In these 5 years, we have implemented various blockchain projects and accumulated significant expertise in the domain of leveraging decentralized technologies as an enabler for security and privacy. ReCheck have successful code implementation in the European blockchain service infrastructure. We have helped nation-states develop their sovereign digital identities and document traceability projects on the blockchain. We have also implemented a project led by the Dutch Ministry of Interior and the Dutch Land Registry, Cadastre, to bring blockchain in the real estate industry in the Netherlands. We want to bring this experience to Cardano to create an open source SDK so everyone in the Cardano ecosystem can audit and use it for free, and at the same time to offer a reliable encryption solution so all of us can protect and own our sensitive personal and business data. Help us build the necessary tooling to encrypt data on Cardano by voting for our proposal in Catalyst Fund 10.
I am a digital marketer and an entrepreneur looking for exciting technologies to work with. I started building websites in 1996 and I've co-founded marketing technology startups. I have been actively involved with blockchain technology since 2016. My passion for Cardano emerged soon after. My first engagement with Cardano was in 2017 in the Bash era, and I gradually shifted my focus exclusively toward the Cardano ecosystem. I was part of a small stake pool shortly after the incentivized testnet, and since then I was looking for the right Cardano project to join until the idea of ReCheck Vault emerged.
I am a digital entrepreneur with solid experience in senior management positions. With my company ReCheck, we have been developing practical blockchain solutions for the last 7 years. I got involved in decentralized technologies because I was fascinated with their capabilities to be a power for good. We implemented more than 20 blockchain projects and our tools are battle proven. Our role is to be a technology partner and add a security and traceability layer to existing platforms. With ReCheck, we implemented projects for the European Commission, the Dutch government, and participate in Techstars.
Securing data on the blockchain is possible, and Cardano is the right platform for that. Sensitive data like property deeds, medical records, passport IDs, and Visa backup copies, as well as secure notes, health and medical data, financial data, business information, and agreements, and even passwords. You can even use ReCheck Vault to store seed phrases, private keys, and passwords with the ability to be released to your family as an insurance and rules set by you alone. The ReCheck Vault framework is a secure platform for encryption So you can own your data powered by the most decentralized blockchain in the world.
Vote for the ReCheck Vault proposal in Catalyst Fund 10. Security breaches are common. From your password manager to your credit agency leaks, your information is getting breached and traded online. Identity theft and unauthorized access is a common thing in our increasingly digital lives.
On the other hand, malware is a consistent threat. Institutions and corporations are really poor at protecting the records they store about us. A secure encryption capability on the blockchain can protect our sensitive data so we can have a peace of mind. Vote for the ReCheck Vault proposal in Catalyst Fund 10.